So, dito naman tayo sa Bohol Tarsier.
Dali. Sila anay niyo. Sila anay, sige.
Sila man na. Dito kami sa Bohol Tarsier.
1, 2.
Entrance. You want Pris Broco? Broco? You want Malab? Pris Broco you like? Pris Broco. Boko. Coconut. Coconut. Yeah. Dalawang regular. Ito po. Ayan ang babayaran nyo kung student. Yeah. Senior.
Senior.
So, ayan. Asa na ka?
We have lots of love for her. We don't need no more love for her.
Picture tayo dito, Malab. So, ito na guys. Dito na tayo sa entrance. Papuntang Tarsier. Malab, I'm afraid.
You afraid?
Where are we going now?
Follow.
We good here? Going there?
No camera, video.
Which one?
This one.
Restricted. Ah, yeah.
I don't know which one. Where's the map?
So, hindi daw pwede. Yeah, I think here, Malab.
Read the sign.
Here, see? This way, Tarsier.
Read the sign.
Please observe silence. Okay.
No camera flash allowed.
Okay.
Okay.
Camera. Ah, no camera flasher allow. Okay. So, until here only the camera.
Oh, yes, your Adidas.
Huh?
Yes, your Adidas.
Which one?
Sign.
Malab.
We're holding big one. Let's go.
Come.
Double G.
Malab Tarsier. Okay, close camera now. Not allow. Shirani pa. Ayan guys. I don't know where is it. Ayan, bawal daw dito mag-ingay guys. Kasi si Tarsier manghabol. Charot. Pagod na tong kasama ko. Ano na, Malab? Yan si Tarsier. Hindi nga makita. Mahirap picturean si Tarsier.
Ito na lang.
Yeah. Bawal na ba pumunta doon?
Can I go this way? No.
Yeah, I'm asking if ba. Okay, we go this way.
See what this lady says.
I will ask. Yeah, I think we can go, man. Come here, Mela. Tarsha is sleeping. Wala daw si Tarsha. What is Mela? I cannot see. Ayan si Tarsha. Yung kakapagod. Downstairs. There's a
Cage.
cage here.
Keep the charges in.
This is actually mountain. They put tarsier only here. Yeah.
Where does it come from?
Ah, there they take picture camera, my love. Not want we take picture there? No. Finish na?
You already got a picture. I didn't need you holding Tasha's hand.
But that is, ano, teddy bear. Tarsier teddy bear. This is good only for video, but camera it's not good. Asan? Asa si Tarsha dong? Ay, ang cute. I love seeing Tarsha. Tarsha. Sleeping si Tarsha. Kami. Souvenir.
What?
We buy souvenir, Mala.
I think we got lots of souvenirs.
Oh,
We'll not be able to go back.
Oh, okay.
Australia, we need a whole new bag.
We buy for yung mom bag. Tarsha. Sorry. See my love? This is double. See, this is 21 pieces. There are 10 pesos only.
Yeah, not in my bag.
Yeah. Better we buy yesterday. La, get out na.
Ikaw bayad ani Bing. Kaya basi abin ngid kani ako ano bi daan.
Same. Because where we buy there in the wholesale. They are buying there and they sell here double. See this. Labas na. Tapos na si Tarsha. Ito yung labas ng Tarsha.